What's up, everyone? I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas from the channel. I know that it won't be that interesting to watch my son open up his Christmas gifts, but here's what I wanted to do. Each day we're going to open up 2 gifts because I have Parker Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I take him home on Monday. Each scene I'm going to shoot with a different camera. And as you all know, I have a GoPro Hero 10, I've got a Pixel 8 Pro, I've got a ZV-E10, and I've got a Pocket 3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So each scene I'm gonna shoot with one of those cameras, and then down in the comments below, let me know what you think camera A, B, C, and D are, and I'll put the camera letter down below in each scene. So today, this is Thursday night, Parker is going to open up 2 gifts. All right, buddy, so which one do you want to open up? Okay, that's a good one. Then I get to pick the second one. This one right here. You know what that one is, I think, and that's why you want to get it.
Okay, I'm gonna open this first.
You don't even know what that is, so
they're like, oh, apply for your controller.
Yeah, these come recommended by one of another YouTuber that we watch, a gaming YouTuber by the name of Toby One Shinobi, and he actually does like classes and stuff to help you get better at Fortnite. But anyway, these are controller freak, and they sit on top of your controllers, the joysticks, and they help you get a little bit better control and better aim.
Second gift.
Second gift. And you knew what that one was too.
This is the Origins Hyper All-Eye 65 keyboard. I can show y'all up close in a second. There's the
All
front.
right, cool. All right, well, this was one of those cameras, and let me know in the comments below which one you think this one is. All right, guys, so this is another camera. So take a look at the scene and let us know which one you think it is. Parker's gonna open up 2 more gifts. Today is Friday morning, and which one do you wanna get?
I'm gonna open this one first.
That one first, okay, cool. Yeah.
It's a miniature basketball, though.
Yeah, you broke your other one, but this one's a better one. I know that lately you've been enjoying playing like mini basketball, but I thought that was really cool. It's also electronic and it keeps score.
That's pretty neat.
I'm not sure how well that'll work, but it gets really good reviews on Amazon.
My second present.
This is the one. This is the one I think he's been waiting for. This one's gonna be fun for me too.
The Pixel Buds.
Pixel Buds.
To go with my Pixel phone.
Yeah, which Pixel phone do you have again? Let everyone know.
6 Pro.
You got the 6 Pro, so I bought the 8 Pro and gave him the 6 Pro.
Thank you so much, Dad. This is so sick.
Yeah, I knew you would like that. What's up, guys? So today is day 3. This is gonna be a minor Christmas gift update. All right, we got a couple gifts here. We're gonna save the big one for last, I think. But there you go, buddy. You're gonna open up those 2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
I show them. These 2.
Those 2?
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay.
Chapstick.
Okay, so chapstick, I just saw this and I was like, Parker would like that, but I got him that because it kind of represents the Pixel 8 or the Pixel 6 Pro that I got him. I wanted to remember and mark that, like, that was actually a Christmas gift that I gave to him early. So not a big deal. I know chapstick is kind of a lame gift, but that's what it kind of represents.
This is a gift from one of my dad's coworkers.
Yeah, my coworker got Parker a gift. My coworker's name is Chris. So let's see what we got here.
$20 Steam gift card.
All right. I don't think there's any identifying things where anyone would steal this from. But anyway, don't show the back of it. I think that's not a good idea there. So cool. So you got a $20 gift card from Nanny and Pops, and you got a $20 gift card from Chris. Anyway, guys, it is December 23rd. Tomorrow is actually Christmas Eve, so maybe we'll open up the big one. Probably, let's wait until Monday. I think that would be a good time to do that. All right, so we're gonna show you guys kind of another gift that we've got, that I got for Parker, and it's in the refrigerator, so go ahead and open that up there, buddy.
Gatorade Fits! That's my favorite.
Gatorade Fit.
Because they have no sugar in them.
No sugar and no sucralose. So I got them all the different flavors of that.
Sweetened with stevia.
Sweetened with what?
Stevia.
Stevia or monk fruit?
Stevia.
Cool. All right, guys, so it is Christmas Eve. Actually, it's not Eve, it's Christmas Eve day, I guess you would say. So we're gonna open up 2 more gifts today, and then we're gonna save 2 more for Christmas morning, the big one over there, Christmas morning. Parker kind of knows what this one is. We've been
Super Fudge.
Super Fudge.
Tales of the 4th Grade Nothing.
Yeah, we've been reading the series Tales of the 4th Grade Nothing by Judy Blume, and what's the one we're on? Sheila the Great, and this one's after Sheila the Great. So we've been reading that. I read them when I was a kid, and they're actually books from the 70s, but they're still relevant. But it kind of, in a way, I mean, the 70s now is what, 40 years ago, so it's history almost. Almost 50 years ago. Yeah. There you go.
It is a basketball.
Cool.
From Jordan.
All right.
Thank you so much. It's so cool, bro.
Yeah, man. I know you like, I believe you like this one. When we looked at it in Dick's.
Merry Christmas!
It's December 25th, 2023. We wanted to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. Parker's about to open up his last 2 gifts, and we wanted to let you all know that even if this doesn't get out on Christmas, happy holidays. I'll be editing. We've got our Christmas hats on because we've got pretty serious bedhead, but pretty comfortable anyway. Hope you enjoy. All right, Parker, let's get to it. Let's open up this one first.
Okay. Amazon package.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to help with this one. I forgot. Huh. Now this one is a clue. This one is a clue. Hold base gel for this right here. It's not too fast. It's got a picture of maybe of what this is going on. So don't look at it real quick. Throw that there.
A basketball goal?
Basketball goal!
Woo!
Anyway, guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. See you. We've met another family member out here because they call me the Grinch, but this is my grandfather, Grandpa Grinch, Pop's Grinch. Happy New Year.